In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Connecteam to Google Calendar. If you want your Connecteam schedule to appear inside Google Calendar, the process is actually very simple. You'll be copying your personal calendar sync link from Connecteam, then adding that link into Google Calendar as a calendar by URL. Once it's connected, your shifts can show up alongside your other events, which makes it much easier to keep everything in one place. To begin, go to your Connecteam Launchpad and sign into your account if needed. From there, navigate to your personal profile or go to the schedule or user view where your personal calendar sync option is available. What you're looking for is the calendar sync link connected to your schedule. Once you find it, copy that URL carefully. This link is what allows Google Calendar to subscribe to your Connecteam shifts, so make sure you copy the full link without leaving anything out. After that, open Google Calendar in a web browser. It's best to do this on desktop since the option you need is easiest to access there. Once Google Calendar loads, look over to the left-hand sidebar. In that area, find the section labeled Other Calendars. This is where you can add calendars from other sources. Next, click the plus icon next to Other Calendars. A small menu will appear with different ways to add a calendar. From that menu, choose From URL. This option lets you subscribe to an external calendar feed, which is exactly what your Connecteam sync link is. Now paste the Connecteam calendar link you copied earlier into the URL field. Before you continue, it's a good idea to quickly check that the link pasted correctly and that there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. Then click Add Calendar. Once you do that, Google Calendar will create a new subscribed calendar using your Connecteam schedule. If you don't see shifts appear right away, don't worry. Syncing is not always instant. In some cases, updates can take a few hours and sometimes up to 24 hours to fully appear in Google Calendar. That delay is normal, so give it a little time before troubleshooting. And that's it. Your Connecteam calendar is now connected to Google Calendar. From here, you can keep an eye on your schedule in one centralized view and manage your day more efficiently.